Guys, guess what I'm going to be making today? Drum rolls, please. Yes, I'm going to be making Ofada sauce for the very first time. I can't wait to try it. Let's see how it goes, shall we? For this Ofada sauce, we'll be making use of just peppers, bell peppers, scotch bonnet peppers, and then shepherd peppers. We'll be roughly blending this to give us that Ofada look and feel. You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time on here, please do well to hit the subscribe button, like, comment, and of course share with your friends. I would add the peppers to my food processor and I would roughly blend. Once this is done, I'm just going to be setting this aside. So this is the look I want. That is ready. In a pot, I will be going in with my palm oil. I will bleach this on very low heat, add in the palm oil, cover, and then allow to bleach. Once this is ready, yes, this is the finished product. I'm just going to set it aside. Here are the ingredients for the Ofada sauce. We have chopped onions, our locust beans, crayfish powder, our stock, our beef tripe, beef, some diced liver, and then our roughly blended peppers. In our bleached palm oil, we are going to be frying our proteins. Guys, you do not want to miss this step, as frying the proteins in the bleached palm oil enhances the flavor of the meal. Yes, so we are going to we are going to fry this until it is ready, and then we'll be setting it aside. This is looking so good already, right? I know. So once we are done frying the meat, we'll scoop it out. Yes, I forgot to mention, I also made use of some goat meat. Yes, goat meat, some tripe, beef, liver, and all of that. Yes, my meat is done frying, so I'm taking it out. And this is what we have. I'll then be going in with my chopped onions. Allow that to fry for a bit, and then I will be adding in my roughly blended peppers. Guys, I was supposed to go in with my locust bean next after the onions, but I was in a hurry. So yes, so in case you're making yours, you need to go in with the onions and then your locust bean before the roughly blended peppers. So I'd already put that in before I remembered, and then I had to come back and put in my locust beans. So yes, we'll be going in with the locust beans, and then we'll also be adding some of our crayfish powder. I'll be going in with some salt to taste and 1 bouillon cube. Give this a very good stir. Guys, the beauty of Ofada is to have the oil floating at the top. Yes, you can't say you're making Ofada and there will be no oil. Yes, you need to have oil floating at the top of your Ofada sauce. I've added in my crayfish powder now, and I'm just going to allow this to simmer on medium to low heat for a couple of minutes, say 20 minutes or thereabout. Yes, just cover and allow to cook. I'm back to check on this. I'll give this a very good stir, and then I'll be going in with my proteins. I'll be adding my fried proteins to this. Give it another good stir. Guys, this is looking so yummy, right? It's coming together. I'm so proud of myself. Yes, I'll give this a very good stir. I would add my meat stock, just a little, and then I would cover and allow to cook for a bit. You remember to taste. I'm going to be tasting for salt, for Maggi as well. Adjust as needed. If there is no salt, you add more salt. No Maggi, you add more Maggi. Yes, so our Ofada sauce is pretty much ready and is looking so yummy. Guys, you need to, how do I put it, you need to perceive the aroma at this point. I was really proud. This was my first time making it, and like, if I was to rate myself, I would give myself a 8 over 10. So yes, I did well. So I allowed this to cook for a bit, and then my Ofada sauce is ready. I'm just going to be serving this. I didn't have the Ofada rice, but I do have some local rice. So I'm going to be serving this with some boiled white rice. Will you be trying this recipe out? Let me know in the comment section. Yes, and tell me guys, rate my Ofada sauce from 1 to 10 in the comment section. Our Ofada sauce is ready. Thank you for watching guys. See you in the next video. Bye.